Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get an anime character on your desktop screen. First, open the Chrome browser. Then go to the Steam website and download the Steam application. After downloading, open the Steam app and search for Desktop Mate. Click on the first result. Then click on Free. Now go to your library, install it, and launch the app. And that's it. You'll see an anime character on your desktop screen. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe to the channel, and support me.